Miscreants exploded a hand grenade at the office of the Association of Business Communicators of India, ABCI, situated along Imphal Jiribam Road at Awangkhul in Noney district. Police sources said the incident occurred around 7 p.m. during a labor identified as Kamir Ali, 37, of Nalbari district of Assam. The ABCI has been taking up the construction work of a double lane of Rangkui to Khongsang, a road which is a project of the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, NHIDCL. Reliable sources said the attack could have been carried out in connection with extortion related to the work project. However, no individual or groups have claimed responsibility for the attack. The police station concerned has registered a case in connection with the incident. Decrying the attack, the Rongmei Naga Council Manipur Luangmai Luangrin RNCMLL appealed to the perpetrators to spell out the motive behind the attack.